From Animal House to Legally Blonde, fraternities and sororities have been a tradition of university life for generations. But the COVID-19 pandemic wreaking havoc on our country is posing a particular threat to what is popularly known as Greek life. The new era of social distancing places a special challenge on organizations created specifically to foster social interaction. From the ritual of recruitment to the institution of fraternity houses, Greek life is grappling with new public health ordinances and rapidly changing policies to ensure safe distancing. I spoke with women from 4 different sororities in Canada, California, and Arizona, who told me that some of their alumni associations are donating to COVID-19 emergency funds to keep their chapters operating. Various chapters across the country face allegations of kicking out members living in-house when their spring semesters were put online and failing to offer refunds. In Virginia, there appears to be no majority consensus among colleges as to their plans for fall 2020. Virginia Tech and the University of Virginia have stated their intention to have students on campus, with the majority of classes being online, while Virginia State University is only allowing seniors and freshmen on campus, and Hampton University will be entirely online. I spoke with Brianna McPhail, treasurer of the Zeta Mu chapter of Kappa Kappa Gamma, the sorority I belong to at Virginia Tech. She told me national officers had cautioned her to prepare to provide additional refunds to members if social distancing guidelines prevented chapters from hosting the functions their dues normally pay for, like formals, date parties, and sisterhood events. Fraternities and sororities depend on membership dues, and the financial struggle to keep income and expenses in balance is never ending. At my school and many others, the universities own the houses where members reside, and chapters pay rent to the school that they collect from members. But with many campuses restricting the number of occupants in dormitories and Greek houses, while chapters have to pay for rooms they cannot rent out, a wide variety of responses to the pandemic, the fate of fall recruitment in our state remains uncertain. The result, some Greeks fear, may be a steep decrease in membership. Organizations' national and local advisors have been working closely with chapter officers to help them create survival financial plans. McPhail told me that she worked with her advisor to draft a backup budget in the event that Virginia Tech did not reopen at all. Many chapters are bracing for lower recruitment numbers and lower dues incoming as a result, as more students opt to take virtual classes at home. With the pressures the pandemic is creating for some families, chapters don't know how many students will no longer be able to afford joining. In an attempt to lessen the financial burden on members, my sorority is now allowing members to stretch their semester dues over several months of installments, and other organizations like Alpha Delta Pi Sorority, Phi Sigma Sigma Sorority, Theta Chi Fraternity, and Pi Kappa Phi Fraternity have all announced their intentions to work on plans to ease the financial burden on members during the pandemic. No one yet knows that the COVID-19 pandemic will play out, but some Greeks fear their chapters may not survive to see the other side.